if we have confidence that our own being is primordially awake and temporarily obscured, then we are confident in our Buddha nature, right? That's important, to be confident that you have Buddha nature. And usually we talk about self-esteem as, I'm good at my job, or, I think I'm a good person, or something like that. But this is not that kind of self-esteem. It's the knowing of our awakeness. Or at least knowing that we believe that we are somewhere in there, under there, awake. And so we know that. The way that awakeness expresses itself is in compassion. So whenever we manifest compassion, thoughts of compassion, that's our awakeness expressing itself.